price range is $5.99 to $420.69. The $420 again, that's one out of 10,000. And people can just pay with a credit card. So you don't need any crypto, you don't need any crypto knowledge. You walk up to the ATM and you tap your credit card.
So you're hoping for regular people to just come up here.
Yep. And that's what we have right now, which is really cool. Over 50% of people who have used Neon, who have bought an NFT, have never owned an NFT before, but they're able to buy one because of this ATM.